The Riverossi HO scale, Baltimore and Ohio, B&O, Class S-1 often nicknamed the Big Six, is a classic model train that was highly popular for its impressive size and detail during its production years, roughly 1967 to 1980. The most common factory numbers were 6200 and 6206. Prototype history: the Big Six. The B&O Class S-1 and S-1A were known as Big Sixes because their road numbers all began with the digit 6. They were among the largest and most powerful non-articulated locomotives of their time, featuring 64-inch drivers which made them surprisingly fast for their wheel arrangement. HO scale, 1 to 87. Drive system. Early models featured a motor in the cab/boiler with a drive shaft to the wheels. Construction: high-impact plastic boiler and cab, metal chassis and rods. Articulation: unique to Riverossi, the driver sets often had flangeless middle wheels, or a slight articulation to allow the massive engine to navigate tight 18-inch radius curves. Tender: typically paired with a large Vanderbilt-style tender. Minimum radius: designed to handle standard HO curves, though it looks best on 22 inches or larger.